Hi, I'm Chef Yin, and today I'm testing out this Ito Konnyaku noodles, or also called Shirataki noodles, because in a lot of the raw food recipes they ask you to use kelp, but instead these Shirataki noodles are so much easier to get in KL, and I've made a Sukiyaki inspired dish for lunch today. It's got the noodles, you can eat it raw, and it's got loads of vegetables. It's got wakame as well, and yeah, here, have a look. This is the Sun Plus ones that I just got at Isetan. I think you can get it at Aeon as well, and these are the ingredients. So it's zero fat, zero cholesterol, zero almost everything, and it's called rebel foods. Okay, so just to show you what the noodles are, and lunch is served.